Hello everyone, my name is Joe Rickson, and I am a PhD student at Jilin University. Now, I will be presenting our paper. First, let me give you a quick preview. Pair searching and matching of massive and organized fragments is a critical problem in the research fields of computer vision and computer graphics, especially in the field of cultural relic restoration. We design an algorithm to generate a dataset of image fragments by tearing a set of complete images. Given a large number of mixed image fragments, our proposed network can search and match pairs of fragments, which is important for restoration problems. In this study, we first propose a novel network PairingNet to leverage the local contour and texture features for solving the pair searching and matching of image fragments. It provides an attempt to use advanced deep learning techniques to solve this long-standing problem. Second, we provide a real dataset and a generated dataset with a carefully designed algorithm to simulate real-world fragments. The algorithm generates diverse image fragments to facilitate the application of subsequent learning-based methods. Third, we conduct extensive experiments, ablation studies, and visual analysis to demonstrate the effectiveness of our proposed network. We propose PairingNet to leverage the local contour and texture features for solving the pair searching and matching of image fragments. We designed a feature extraction module based on ResICN to extract texture and contour features. In the pair matching module, we propose the incorporation of a feature fusion module, which would be capable of adaptively fine-tuning the weights assigned to these two features. Simultaneously, the fused features can be used to quantify the likelihood of adjacency between any given two fragments, assisting in the identification of matched pairs. And the pair searching module can adaptively convert any fragment into a unique feature vector, thereby significantly accelerating the pair searching process. We use two-loss functions to train our network, and the training process is shown in Figure D, and the inference process is shown in Figure E. To generate a fragments dataset, we design an algorithm to tear a series of complete images. The cutting details are also shown in the Figure B. To control the shape and area of the fragments, we first find the circumscribed circle of a fragment and take two points at an appropriate distance on the circle to determine the starting and ending points of the segmentation. Then, to simulate a more realistic fragment contour, we randomly divide the cutting line into several segments, each segment randomly choosing a straight line or an irregular curve. We also calculate the distributions of our generated dataset and real dataset, as shown in Figure C. We also collect a series of real image fragments to construct a real dataset. The process begins with the printing of some complete images, which are subsequently excluded from our generated dataset. Then each image was randomly torn into fragments by researchers. To simulate real-world situations, we randomly discard some fragments. The remaining fragments are then digitized using a laser scanner. Then, we apply some post-processing steps to the scanned image fragments to obtain the contour of the fragments and the annotation of the matching points. Figure B provides additional examples of the transformation of a complete real image into multiple fragments. On average, the processing of a complete real image takes approximately 1 hour. The entire process was executed by two researchers over a span of 17 hours. To evaluate our method, we conducted quantitative comparison experiments on the generated and real datasets. As shown in the table A, on the generated dataset, our network outperforms the comparison methods on both the full test set and on every set of difficulty levels. We also tested our method on the real dataset. In this experiment, both our method and the comparison method were trained on the generated dataset without retraining or fine-tuning. As shown in Table B, PairingNet obtained satisfactory results for both pair searching and matching tasks. We also visualized the normalized self-gated weights to analyze their changes under different situations. As shown in Figure O, we mapped the normalized weights to the edges of the fragments to show the influence of the texture, contour features. We classify the local parts of fragments into 4 types based on the information contained in texture and contour. As shown in Figure, we perform dimensionality reduction visualization on the features extracted by our network to show the effectiveness of contrastive loss in the pair searching task. We select PSC map to reduce the features extracted by the pair searching module to 3 dimensions. Subsequently, we normalize the features of each fragment and map them onto the surface of the unit sphere. In the future work, we will explore how to extend our work to other general technique. The fragment generation algorithm that we designed can also create more diverse samples for image inputting tasks. Thank you for listening to my presentation. If you have any questions or are interested in our research, please feel free to contact us.